Good morning, guys. I'm your Santosh sir, English faculty of Navchetana College. Yes, I'm back with my video lesson of the poem Evolve. Yes, actually, have started the poem and day before yesterday, have given some introduction about all the texts of the English subject which I have done so far. And yesterday, I have just taken. Uh, 3 to 4 lines of wall poem, and let me see another few more lines of a wall poem. Yes, yesterday I just spoken about the uh, beginning lines of the poem. I recently took a contract to demolish the walls of buildings. Here, as I told you, D.S. Dadalkar is a Marathi poet and is basically written this poem in the language of Marathi, and it has been translated into the English originally by Priya Adarkar and Ashok Chakravarti. As you know that all. But here, yesterday I clearly spoken about the beginning lines of the poem. It clearly gives an idea. Here, Dadalkar takes as a charge, as a job of contractor to demolish the walls. If you ask what kind of a walls it should be, means the walls, it can be nothing but mental walls. It is a mental sickness. It is a man-made evils. It has to be destructed by Dadalkar, and he needs to be demolished. But here Dadalkar clearly saying that I recently took a contract to demolish the walls of buildings. It is not only buildings that have a walls, and is clearly in the second line itself gives an answer for in the first line question. He seeks an answer, and he gives an answer. He wants to destroy the walls which is not physical walls, which is constructed by a machine. ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಾರೆ ಕೆಲಸದವನು ಕಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಗೋಡೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಡವಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮನೆಗಳ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗಳು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವ ಗೇಟು ಬೇಡ, ಯಾವ ಗೋಡೆನೂ ಬೇಡ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸು ಸಪ್ರೇಟು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊತೀರಂದರೆ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್, because we are saying that there are two different sex, they supposed to sit separately. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ there will be no need to sit separate. But doesn't mean sir ಹುಡುಗ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಕುತ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್, there will be no need to separate. Let me take example. If you traveling by train from Bangarpet to Bangalore, if you have a seat in next to a boy, a girl, if a girl is supposed to travel by a train from Bangarpet to Bangalore, if there is a seat, if there is a berth for her to sit next to a boy, she can go and sit. But there is no separation. But here we should not create a separatism in our mind. We should not create any evils in our mind. All the evils, all the bad things, all the negativities, all the negative attitude can be called as a mental walls, mental barriers, mental evils of the human beings. Here Dadalkar clearly saying that we should not create such kind of barriers in our mind. First, remove your mental walls. Don't put huge stones, don't put so many bricks to construct a wall, which is simply avoiding, which can be which can be divides the separate, which can be divides the separateness. But here Dadalkar clearly saying that there is a requirement of removing mental walls first. There is no more requirement of removing physical walls. ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ he wants to destroy not only in towns, he wants to destroy in villages also. Because here Dadalkar clearly in what concept is saying that ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಈಗಲೂ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾತೀಯತೆ ತಾಂಡವಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡು ಜಾತೀಯತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಿಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ದಲಿತರು, ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟು, ಲೋವರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಜುಡೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ರಿಲಿಜನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅವನು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮು, ಇವನು ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ಸು, ಇವನು ಹಿಂದೂ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೂರಾರು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳಿದೆ. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಒನ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಅಸ್. Then it will be good for society, it will be good for the nation, according to Dadalkar. But remove your mental walls. When you are saying, when you look at a Muslim girl, when you look at a Muslim boy, instantly we can think ourselves in our mind negativity, because if she's a Muslim, she's a separate of Hinduism. If I am a Hindu, I am separate from Muslim. If anybody is a Christian, he is separate from Hindu and Muslim. We should not practice this kind of barriers in our mind. We should remove it first. We should remove it. But he is taking us a part-time job. He is taking us for the time's sake. He is going to destroy the walls. For the time's sake, he is going to destroy the walls. But Dadalkar, his intention, as of now, all of a sudden, he doesn't want to remove. He doesn't want to destroy all the things. It takes gradually. It takes its own time to remove the mental illness, mental barriers, mental walls of the human beings. And yes, he's saying that next, for the time being, fought for the, yes. And also he speaks about the world wars. Yesterday I have spoken about the world wars, because world wars happened in the world because of separatism, because of separate identity, because of power, because of because of strongness, because of oneness. So many people have been died because of war. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯುದ್ಧಗಳು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ವೆಪನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಮಿಲಿಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ Dadalkar saying that it is a only for the sake of identity purpose we are losing so many lives of the people. It is a simply a bad thing. It is a mad thing about the wars. You should avoid the wars first of all. Why? When it happens war? When there is no understanding between the countries. When it happens when there is no peace between the countries. When it happens when there is no mutual understanding between the countries. It happens war. The same thing when it happens, the fight between the people, when there is no love. When there is no love, when there is no understanding, when there is no respect, everything happens. But respect the people first. Respect the people first and think positively always. Don't think negatively. If you think negative things happens. If you think positive things happens. And he is saying that for the time being means for the time pause. I am the initiator who start the work of demolishing the mental walls of the people. But I am the only person cannot remove all the mental walls. The people who have in their mindsets, I cannot remove by myself. I am the only one person. I am just trying to remove gradually. But it is a very strong walls. It is a more than physical walls. ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಗೋಡೆಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 10 ಪಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ನೆಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾವೀಗ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಬಯಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಬಯಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ. ಅವ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಬಯಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿನ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರಿಲಿಜನ್ ಹೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ರೇಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಜೆಂಡರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಮೆನ್ ಫೋಕೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ ಭಾವನೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೀಳರಿಮೆ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೋವರ್ ದೆನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ವಾಲ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಸ್. ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಗೋಡೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕೂಡ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಡಿ ಗೋಡೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಆಲೋ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಗೋಡೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 10 ಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ದದಾಲ್ಕರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ. ದದಾಲ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇಕ್, ಸಮಯಕ್ಕನುಸಾರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಥ್ರೂ ಮೈ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್, ಥ್ರೂ ಮೈ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್, ಥ್ರೂ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಥ್ರೂ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್. Nobody comes and say, if I go and say to the person who is a simpleton is nothing but a full person, who is an uneducated person, he doesn't believe me. You remove your mental walls. Don't think negativity. You can think always positive. And he says, go mad person, just go to the Niman's hospital, take the treatment. He may say that. What do you say? Yes, first one has to educate it by himself, educated by ourselves, then gradually it removes the walls of mental walls. And I'm just demolishing walls. I don't know how many generations have gone by, but these walls built by grandpas, these walls built by grandpas, here contract as taken by the Dadalkar, and he seeks the reason who has built this kind of strong walls in our mind, in the society, in the world, in the people of mind, in the minds of the people. Who has built? It's built by we ourselves. ನಾವೇ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ತಾತಂದ್ರಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವಜರಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯನ್ಸೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋರ್ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ದೇ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನೀವು ಹಿಂದೂ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೋಡ್, the way of behavior, the way of eating food, the way of language, it shows our identity of a culture. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. That is the smallest unit of the society is the family. Family is the first educational institution in the world where child learns his basics. But here teachers also different. They can teach which is not necessary to the students. They can teach always negativity to the students. They can divide the students in the name of sex. They can divide the students in the name of religion. They can divide the students in the name of caste. It should not. Being a teacher, one has to liberal for the students. Being a teacher, one should love the students. Being a teacher, one should care the students. Being a teacher, one should give the knowledge to the students. That's very important. Yes, and you may get a question, who built a wall? Who builds a wall? You may get a question. The walls built by our forefathers, our grandpas. Okay, here, did they need to be so hardened to yes, built by grandpas of the time are really tough? Did they need to be hardened to protect the human beings? Yes. Built by grandpas of that time are really tough. Did they harden? Yes. These walls which built by grandpas are very strongly in the mindset of the people, in the mindset of the family mates. It's a very difficult to remove all of a sudden, as of now, in the minds, in the people's minds, because it has been rooted in the minds of each and every human beings in the society. It is difficult to remove all of a sudden. It takes its time. ಬಟ್ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬರು ಊಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಊಟ ಕಿತ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬುದ್ಧಿನ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ದ್ವೇಷ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಊಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ವಿಷ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ದದರ್ಕರ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ದ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ, gradually, slowly. But he has started the work. Where he has started the work? Doesn't he started the work in Bangarpur bus stand? He started the work in his writing. You must understand. ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ದದಾಲ್ಕರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೋಡೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಂಗಾರಪುರ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಗೋಡೆಗಳನ್ನ ತಳ್ಳಿಬಿಟ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? ನೋ. He doesn't do it. He has started his work. He has initiated his work in his writings. And he is telling that our grandpas built this kind of mental walls in our mindset. It shouldn't have been happened. But it has been deep rooted. It is very strong. But few people are taking such kind of bad walls to use for their protection. because their protection. But some caste people, we are higher caste people, we don't have every opportunity in the society. But some low caste people, they have been underprivileged for the rights of the for the rights of the people, because they are the lower caste. And same we have studied in caged bird Afro Americans and white Americans, how the white Americans treated the Afro Americans due to their less color, black color or dull colorness, and it shows. And finally, did they need to be hardened? Yes, here these walls are very strong, these walls are very rough and tough. They can use for, they can some people, some community people, some some religion people are using these mental walls for their upliftment, for their protection, for their richness, for their money, for the money making. It's a very bad actually to protect human beings. And he has put a question to us: this kind of walls will save the human beings? Not at all, not at all. Because of these mental walls, these mental barriers, one is going to be ruined by himself, one is going to be ruined by herself. Here we must understand, remove our mental walls, remove our mental walls. It's necessary at this time. We are the youth, we should be educated by ourselves, we should be awakened, we should be awakened by ourselves, and look at the society, what is happening in the society. Please think positive, don't practice any bad evils in the society. Treat a person as a human being, respect a person as a human being, love the person as a human being. Don't disrespect any human beings on the basis of their background, on the basis of the money, on the basis of their color, on the basis of their caste, on the basis of their creed, on the basis of sex and gender. Everybody are equal in the society. Respect as a human beings first, and don't cultivate the mental walls, which always going to be a more dangerous to the societal people. And he is criticizing the grandpas who builds the wall. It is so much hard and very tough to destroy, because it has been started more generation ago itself. It is very difficult to destroy everything as of now. But I have started the work. What kind of work I have started? Contractor work. Who is contractor here? Yes, you are right. DS Dadalkar. DS Dadalkar. Yes, so far I have started. Have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 lines I have finished. Tomorrow I will back with another 10 to 10 lines. Another 10 lines. We shall go very slowly, no problem at all. There will be a plenty of days are left, no problem at all. Yes, thank you so much for your patience. You guys have been doing fantastic work, but some guys are not doing any work at all, because I have been giving homework. Some girls and boys are doing very sincerely and seriously, but some guys have taken for granted by yourself. Don't do that. Love the subject, respect the lecturer. That's it, that's all I can say. No problem. Still I am respecting you, still I am loving you. Take care. Bye bye, have a nice day, keep up the good work. Thank you. I will be back with another video on tomorrow. Love you all guys.